Hi everyone, I'm Jan, co-founder of Leadapreneur, and we're currently working with the Singapore Stock Exchange to help you get ready for Industry 4.0. Why do you need to do that? Because Industry 4.0 is an innovate or die reality, guys. Let's just cut straight to the point. Either you innovate or you're going to die. That's the basic choice. McKinsey and Oracle reckon that up to 50% of companies, including companies like SGX or even bigger, will die in the next 5 years because they fail to digitalize. More importantly, what about you? As artificial intelligence comes into the workplace, especially in financial services, not only are most jobs likely to be automated in the next couple of years, but what will happen to you? What's going to happen to your career? And the reality is that most of us are too terrified to even address this issue. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt, the famous FUD, that we are more complacent than ever before because we don't know what to do about it. And that's what I want to talk to you about. Because what I think you can do is become a leaderpreneur. By becoming a leaderpreneur, you're going to get ready for Industry 4.0. It's a fantastic opportunity for you to turn things around from the FUD and instead create hope, energy, and a positive vision for yourself in this exciting Industry 4.0 reality. So what does that mean? It means you have an opportunity to join us next week for a half-day workshop in which you can discover how you can become a leaderpreneur. This is going to help you accelerate your career, help you develop high quality capabilities that will ensure you get really well paid going into the future, and it's going to show you a path to glory because leaderpreneurs are the special forces of Industry 4.0. They're the ones who kick ass and make things happen, and I'm inviting you to join us to discover how you too can become a leaderpreneur. So what does this mean? What you need to do is join us at the workshop next week to be able to start your leaderpreneur journey. And in doing so, you're going to transform Industry 4.0 from something that you are afraid of into something that you see as the greatest opportunity of your life. So join us next week, and I look forward to starting the leaderpreneur journey with you. Thank you.